Good morning, friends. Good morning, YouTube. And we're just entering Kalyan. It's 6:46 a.m. And if we are entering Kalyan, so you know exactly where I'm going, where we are going actually. We are going to Malsej Ghat, and the tank bag is loaded, bike is loaded. So all those visiting Malsej Ghat now, it will be really cool. The weather will be really pleasant, and yes, we'll have to escape this Kalyan route, though there's almost road work happening here. They're cementing the roads basically, so which is a good thing, because I think so by next year this road should be little more wider and better. But hopefully this road work gets completed, but they are doing it in full swing, because the last time I came here to Malsej, it was quite bad. Kalyan stretches, the traffic is really horrible. So hoping to catch good twisties at the Murbad road, so catch you there. I won't vlog here much because it's quite a boring and route. So I'll catch you at Murbad. We have touched the Murbad stretch. Temperature is 18 degrees and it might get more cooler. The road quality is really nice, so but only thing, it's a two-way highway, so you have to be really careful. Otherwise it's superb. So I like the way the trees kind of, you know, come out like an arc. So we still have a good 100 kilometers more. So we are staying at a place called Saj by the lake. So what we'll be doing is taking a breakfast halt at MTDC and then going to Saj by the lake. These roads are superb. Just taken a halt at Hotel Pranjali. Chris, I hope you're watching. So this used to be a stopover for Missile. So basically it's really nice. They have really renovated the place really well. So I'll just show you. So this is Hotel Pranjali. This is, I think, halfway around Malsej, so another 60 odd kilometers we should reach. This place was really different first, now it is changed completely. Okay, so the missile is really good here, though I'm not having missile right now. I just had a cup of coffee and we'll head up way back. So catch you on the road again. The time is 8:16 and we have just left Pranjali. Yes, in another 1 hour we should reach. So we are on time. so there's no hurry as of such. Still more roads, beautiful roads to come, so we are just halfway through, so see you there. So we are just little ahead of Malsej Ghat. You can see the mountains here. The ghat will come, this all is a ghat, but then now the steeper ones will basically this road is this place is really nice in the rains, but avoid this place in July because of landslides. So if you see my last vlog on the FZ25, I had come in the month of August, close to August, so that is a good time. July is peak rains, so avoid this place in peak rains because there are a lot of landslides. So it becomes quite dangerous, and sometimes the road also gets blocked. So, and yes, of course, winters. So peak winters here hits in end November, December. So even in Jan for that matter. But this place is heaven in monsoons. It's completely lush green. So the monkey points, I think so here. Can get to see a lot of monkeys. So if you see here, there's a waterfall. It's all dried down now. So earlier there's a waterfall there. Now you'll get to see a lot of monkeys and all that. Yeah, so these are the different, this is a different type of monkey, the black faced one. So I don't like the black faced one. So I have come here with the Ninja 300, I have come here with the FZ25, I have come here with the 1000 as well, but this time it's going to be a little different than before. Oh, am I going to come in the selfie? Say hi. So as we go up, it gets cooler and cooler and better and better. The road quality is just amazing. If you see, it's so well maintained. This bike is a little heavy to steer on corners, but you give it a set of good sweeping corners and it will do the trick. Actually reach the top of Malsej Ghat. and it's really, really, really beautiful. A little bad patches here and there, but it's kind of okay. Oh shit. Ouch. Oops. That was close. I was too high up. Okay, there is some work going on here. What are they doing? Like, seriously? What are they doing? Are they breaking the mountain or something like that? Ouch! Oh, the waterfall. There's still water, huh? You should see this place in monsoon. It's crazy. Oh. Okay, bad roads. This bike definitely doesn't like bad roads. Again. I think so they should do this up. So there's a temple here which people come to worship. So ahead there'll be a tunnel that's famous. Oh, here it is. So when you have a super bike and you have a tunnel, so this is one of the Malsej point. So they call it Monkey Point as well. So we can. You want to stop here? You want to go down, na? Haan, that's okay. I'll park it. Where do I park it now? I'll park it here in front. Yeah, I park. Yeah. Couple shoot.
Two are there.
Come, don't get scared.
What? Don't get scared. I have experience in these mountains.
Bike is parked on top. Baby monkeys.
Seriously, you expect me to
Baby
cross
monkeys.
them?
Baby monkeys. How's the trip so far?
Awesome. And you get to see your friends also. Bonus point.
Oh. Very cute burger. Come here, go here.
Please come, cute burgers. Come behind me. See, Ralph is coming behind me only.
Wow.
God. I want Ralph. You want to stop here?
Tick tick. Entering MTDC resorts. So this is the part of Maharashtra tourism. So they have resorts all over India. So you have Goa, Mahabaleshwar, Bandardhara. So I have stayed here. It's kind of okayish, not that great, but so we are just going to have breakfast at MTDC and then head to our destination. Oops. Let's park it in the shade. These are the rooms. So we had stayed there, right? There. I parked my FZ right there. So the valley view is on the other side. So we're just going to eat as of now and then head to a destination further down. Let's go.